Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And this is Allama Qibla Maulana Aslam Parvez Sahib. He resides in a village Bagirji, the district Sakhar, and he is very devoted and committed person, very pious person. I love him, I like him, because he doesn't demand anything for the majlis. He accepts. He doesn't deny to accept. He accepts, but he doesn't demand. That's why I love him. And he is a pious person. So he has got his religious education from Iran, and he is also doctor in philosophy. He is a very learned man. So Maulana Mahmudul Hasnan is also with me. So this Maulana is very seriously ill. So he doesn't demand. That's why he is in a very, very miserable condition. So I request Momin to support him for the treatment. مولانا تعارف شما چیست؟
اسلم پرویز جمالي حجري کا چطوری خوبی سلامتی. ما دیگه چند وقت شده که مریضم. خلاصه دکتر گفته که بستری بشه. حالا دیگه 2 هفته گذشته ما بستری هم. یه جایگاه هم داشتیم که اونجا داشتیم نماز میخوندیم.
لأي بلد أنت تقول يا شيخ؟
کشمور.
گودو
کشمور. کشمور اونجا نماز میخونیم. اون خلاصه خدمت ما میکردن. حالا هم منتظر هستند که این بیاد تا خدمت خلق را شروع بکنه. خلاصه محتاج کمک شما هستیم. هرچی که هستش به ما کمک برسونید. ما اجازه هم داریم آیت الله العظم خوی اون دادیم، آقا سیستانی را سیستانی هم اجازه دادیم. والسلام علیکم و رحمت الله و برکاته.
مرحبا يا شيخ، أنا مسرور بلقائك. This Maulana Sahib spoke to you. So let me show you the condition of his home. This is his home, and the condition of home is poor because he has not made his religious efforts as his business. He propagates Islam with his will, with the devotion, with the commitment. So I request your honor to support him from the Khumse Imam, Sahime Imam. Jazakumullah ahsanal jaza. Inna sayakum kana mashkura. Wassalamu wa rahmatullah.